Guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I'm going to show you how I paint this coffee cup. I am going to go in first and base coat my cup in the color Limeade. Following that, I'm going to base coat my whipped cream in cotton, and then my candy cane stripes I'm doing in peony. Now I'm going in with chocolate for the chocolate drips on my cup. Now I'm going in and outlining / highlighting with a number 4 round and the color Savannah Mist on my whipped cream. I'm going to use that same number 4 round and some black paint to outline everything. And for an added detail, I'm going to go in and paint some polka dots using the color Peony and also Barn Red. And then that'll complete my project. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video and have a wonderful day.